see me, don't know say nothing good. And you hear me told you. And nothing good, man. You see, it's right now, people. Bringing the sleep, you see what I say? Bringing sleep and I'm not really long forward in a fire road. So right now, I'm going to go up on the phone with the next catty and go on like say, yo, me a plan. If you actually link up with her, you see. But the catty don't call me. You see what I say, people? So the camera already set up on her whole and thing, you see. I'm going to show her a little piece of brain and I'll be right now. You see me? So I'm just stay tuned and watch her go on. You see, people, know what I'm talking, man. Go in there. Go in there. Go in there. Yeah, people, so I don't see it pretty right now. You see it? Sleep, I don't sleep. Sleep, people, everything can lie. Hey, that's some shit.
Stop it. Get some help.
Hey, look. Why? Yeah, so she go on now. Watching. You have to say if you are right now. You see, play. You have to say if you are right now.
Few moments later, one eternity later. 3 days later, 12 seconds later.
Yo. And then what I did. I say everything good. Yeah, man, now if I come forward, come look here, man. I'm forward, come look here, man. I'm not tell about how things go already, man. So I know how things go, you see. Hey, me, I'm tired, I'm tired. I'm just want to have my link up, man. I'm going to give you a piece of man. Watch out, man, right now, I want to sleep, I'm going to walk out right now. I don't want to go walk out. See, I want to take that. But in this music, I remember saying, she did it first. As long as I remember saying, she did it first, you see. Yo, watch out, me call her back. You see, man? Me call her. Yo, yeah, but G, me call her back, Jenna. Yeah, man. What do you mean now? I want to dog them just shout and I don't know how to go on, man. But what do you know? Remember, I think you know what that's on. I don't know how to go and see him in that. See?
Girl, dad.
What do you mean?
I want girl G, I want girl guys.
I don't understand.
I want girl dad.
I don't understand. I don't know, girl, dog.
One girl.
I know one girl. I know one girl there a while ago. Talk to the line, man. You know. Yo. Genocide, me soon forward on the lane, man. Me soon can link it, brother.
Yes, brother, I know one girl. You have me think.
You ain't a girl on the phone, man, you. You love listen, sir.
Cause that give me yes.
You listen too much, man, and just inner people things, man. Just relax yourself. You're not a girl on the phone, man. Go on back to sleep, man.
Wait.
Go on back to sleep. You listen too much, man.
Can't want me to go sleep.
You listen too much, man.
I'm not say I want a girl.
You're not girl, nothing, man. You're not girl, nothing. On
What
top.
you call that? Put it on speaker.
Put it on speaker for what?
Cause I want girl and you have to be... Alright, talk, cause I want your friend talk.
I need to answer me, don't tell him what I tell him already. Please, you know. Don't tell him what I tell him already.
Answer the phone.
Your school, no, man. Your school, no, man. Oh, dear.
I want you a girl as your friend that
I
has
know
a
girl. I know girl. Look here, no bother with your, no, don't bother with your foolishness. You may tell you that, don't show them after me. You may tell her.
Answer.
Yo,
Put it on speaker.
I mean, relax now, relax now, relax now, relax now.
Put it on in there.
See the way you want here, nobody in the on the phone. Hang up, me say hang up, hang up, hang up.
If I'm not woman, hello.
Yo, pass the phone now.
Please.
Yo, hang up the phone now, hang up. Hang up the phone. Hang up the phone. Hang up.
Really?
You mean really? Really what?
Person I said.
Because you're a good lady, a dog woman answer phone man.
And I said, give me man back the phone. Where she get man from? She put a man down here.
A good lady woman answer phone and she a mistake.
Come
Sorry,
here.
man.
Look like he there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Talk.
good one, you know.
Talk
I
man,
am
talk.
already ready. But I'm ready. Me and you go.
No, but I'm gonna win. I ain't not gonna win by the way. I ain't not gonna win. You don't church out my club, I ain't not gonna win.
So which girl that?
Oh, you just see a mistake, I don't know how neither.
Give me phone. Give me phone.
What you want the phone for?
Give me the fucking phone.
What you want the phone for?
Give me the phone.
No, you can't get the phone.
But I'm already cashier away. How are we?
You mean she away? Where you are go?
Anyway, I go.
Where you are go? Where me and you go? Are you alone or go on the road?
Answer the phone. We can't stop playing. No. Get up on the clean up and everything.
Talk. You must...
I really don't.
Come on, give brother a phone, man.
Which brother? Which brother?
Give JK phone.
Which Jakey?
Give JK phone, man, girl. Dear man. You know see what you are doing? Right now, you are... The phone there on speaker low. That's phone, man. Pass it.
Hello.
Man, you mash up your phone, you know. Man, you mash up the little phone, you know. Man, you mash up the little phone, you know. You know what I tell her?
You just look on the room.
Yo, man, you mash up the little phone. Give me phone.
What you get for the new Jakey?
Mama, see, you know, you're not going to know all of them.
What you get for
You're not going to know all of them. Yo, pass the phone now. Pass the phone now.
Hello.
Pass the phone now.
Up wait. Wait.
Pass it.
Up. Wait, stop.
Pass it.
Alright.
One day, bring up. Just relax yourself, man.
You can't bother.
I mean, I can't bother.
This moment no sense.
You mean I can't bother? What that's supposed to mean I can't bother? So I'm not settle down, Brina. I'm not settle down. I'm not settle down. But tell you, say, I don't know a woman, my youth. What do you want me to say? You want me to tell life for myself? You want me to Hey, then sit in your liberty, man. Yo, don't do that. You need to do that. Don't put that. Don't. So, you know, I turn off before. I turn off. Turn off. I turn off. Good. I walk on the road, brother.
Which one are you?
I walk out there. I walk out.
Which one?
I walk out.
Which one of them?
You love the foolishness, man.
You see, and the way you go through, you have to kill it.
Yeah, joke. Mine I have. Yeah.
Any,
Mine I have.
anyway, you go, and you have it.
Mine I have. Me I have. Me I not gonna know it. Me I not gonna know it.
Yeah,
Me I not gonna know it. You go and see. Excuse.
yeah. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me.
Yo. What you told them here, man?
Anyway, you go, I'm
Mind
going
it. Watch out. Watch out.
stop. You're not doing
How are this one?
Stop.
Come on. Come on,
Let everybody really tired. There's someone who already got this money.
Excuse me.
Stop, bro.
Excuse me, my hand has to be. I'm not how much girl in here or whatever. We not go now, man. The school, man, and me wanna go. Where am I there, man?
Stop here.
Excuse out of me. I know what I go know it. I know what I go know it, man. I know what
You
I
make woman a call and disrespect me. Me, nobody a call and disrespect me.
Me make woman a call her disrespect you. Need you take your phone from me? Make your earphone to talk to nobody. What if I never sit down now?
Don't care what you even do because me not laughing.
Now go out and over sit down.
You didn't help me, please.
Now go out and...
You can't hold us together.
Pass the key now.
Stop me.
Pass the key now.
Let me read it.
Pass the key now. I want to take Lego this. Lego this I might mash up the leash. Let me go. Oh, I'm proud. I'm proud. Yeah. I'm proud. Look up and
So it's not your father.
Look at him. Look at him.
Personal father.
Look at him. Look here. Look up as a prom. Bomba. Yeah, Jay. Get down this. A prank, babe. Hold on. How you do dancing again? That's good. See it there. Oh, no. Oh, no. Come here now, man. Come now. A prank, babe. You tell us about I go catch you, you know. You tell us about I go catch you. You tell us, when I tell her. Yeah?
Who you may call it on the next phone?
Your girlfriend.
Who?
Your best friend. See, you don't recognize her voice?
I know something
Oh,
like that.
Scott, I mean. People, I don't see that. I don't see that. I don't see that right now. I'm back on Marina. Let me tell you. You see, that one I get to slack. Jaja. Yeah, me I send a people now. Big up on yourself and I don't know a thing, but you see it, one love, peace and love, and I know a thing, but don't bake and brain out there again, don't it? Active, my friend. Talk now.
We ain't not talking.
Timo.
Team Brina all day, every day.
Team Blake all day, every day. Yeah, me say no people, no run, go over on the YouTube page and run forward over me if you say. Subscribe, like, leave a comment,
And follow Instagram.
share and follow Instagram.
Everything
them.
on to follow them.
And just
in
the
the
right thing,
description.
people. And know it, come on. Just everything down in the description. And just go over on the page and follow them, subscribe and everything. Click the post notification bell so you get a new video them as them drop.
And
Is that
don't
me I
forget
say?
the giveaway.
And please and don't forget the giveaway. Is that me I say? And remember we have the phone out your phone. See me, man. You see, I just want to make it thing work right now. You see, if you don't want to let it go, you just make it work. You see, no changes. And don't forget the raffle, the iPhone 8 giveaway. And run go up on the page them, follow the 3 Instagram them, the couple page, Brina Instagram and Fumi Instagram. And subscribe to the YouTube channel also. The link will be down in the description below. Click the post notification bell, people. There's no man says as a new video drop when I get it. You see, Team Blake all the way. And we have more a forward beer. Bang! Yeah, bang what the sucker finger.
So that, you have it that?
Yeah, man, you have everything
Yes,
one.
yes,